Hello, friends, and welcome back with Flavors and Knowledge. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and we continue with our discovery in terms of food and history. And one that came to mind, it's called Torta Barozzi. Torta, of course, means tort in Italian. But let's discover what is the word Barozzi standing for. The Barozzi is a decadent chocolate cake that originates from the town of Vignola in the region of Emilia-Romagna in Italy. The region also has Bologna as one of the major cities. This particular rich and indulgent cake is a true masterpiece of Italian cuisine and that is enjoyed by people worldwide. The cake was first created in 1888 by a local pastry chef named Eugenio Gollini, who was inspired by the exotic flavors and the spices of the far-off lands he had visited during his travels. He named the cake after the famous Barozzi family, who were prominent merchants in the town of Vignola. Torta Barozzi is made with a rich mixture of cocoa powder, almonds, espresso coffee, and rum. The cake is then layered with a dark chocolate ganache and sprinkled with cocoa powder and chocolate shavings. The cake has a dense and a fudgy texture that is reminiscent of a brownie, but with a more complex and sophisticated flavor profile. The use of almonds and espresso gives the cake a nutty and slightly bitter taste, which is balanced out by the sweetness of the chocolate and the warmth of the rum. Torta Barozzi is a labor of love to make, and the cake requires several steps and careful attention to details. However, the end result is a stunningly beautiful and delicious cake that is sure to impress anyone who tries it. The cake is often served as a dessert at special occasions, such as weddings and birthdays, and it is also a popular gift to give during the holiday season. It pairs well with a glass of red wine or a strong cup of coffee, and is certainly best enjoyed at room temperature. In recent years, Torta Barozzi has gained international recognition and has become a symbol of Italian culinary excellence. It has been featured in several food magazines and television shows, and it is, of course, enjoyed by everyone. And if I were to summarize, the Torta Barozzi is a true masterpiece of Italian cuisine, and a must-try for anyone who loves chocolate, its rich and complex flavor, along with its beautiful presentation. It really makes a perfect dessert for special occasions, and it's a decadent treat for any day of the week. My recommendation is, if you have a chance to try Torta Barozzi, whether you are in Italy or maybe gather a recipe, do not hesitate to gather it and make it. And it will be an unforgettable experience. I promise you that. And that is this particular episode on the History Discovery series as part of Flavors and Knowledge. I hope you enjoyed this particular segment. Let's get back together on the next round. So long from Chef Walter. Ciao, ciao.